Hi, I'm Hassan. In this lecture number 7, we will discuss about our next topic, which is current shunt. Current shunt. We have discussed about the voltage series. In this topic, we will discuss about the current shunt. The current shunt and the current amplifier. We already said in lecture number 2. We already told you that the current amplifier and the current shunt are both the same. Both will be same. Okay. Since both of them are same, what was the formula for the gain of gain of current ampere? Gain of a current ampere, it was like, okay, I output divided by, since we were using that time I input, instead of input today we use S. Okay, if it was V in, it will become Vs. If it was I in, it will become Is. So divided by Is, instead of I in, we will change into Is only. There is a difference between those last topics and this one. And the second difference is that it has a feedback. Okay, so since we have Is as a source today, it means the current is our source. So this is your amplifier. This amplifier, and this is the feedback. This is the feedback. So getting from this line, we have input as volt as a current. When we have a current as an input, then our connection will be shunt. Our connection will be shunt or parallel. Okay, so we have to do this connection as shunt or parallel. Okay, this is our input type. So we will take one wire from here and cross cable it here, overlap it, then we will connect it to here. Okay, and the next one we will connect from here to here. Okay, so we have to connect like this. Okay, after connection like this, we have to also know that this is our current input, which is Is. Okay, this is our current source, which is Is. Then let us go for I output, and let us design the output part. In the output part, we have also current. Okay, when we have a current as output, then we have to wire our connection in a series form. So we can simply now the connection right now. Okay, we have to connect like this. Okay, this will be our I output. Okay, this will again be I output. Okay, in here we will simply get Vf. Okay, it will be positive, this will be negative. Okay, no, not like this. If this is I, this should also be I. It will be If, and there is no charge for current. Okay, we have to not use any sign. Okay, so in that case, we know our gain will be equal to I out divided by Is. Then we decided our circuit from that given gain. Okay, since if we do the topic more than this, then it will be difficult to upload in YouTube. That's why I'm doing very short, okay, very short clips. Okay, thank you so much. See you in next lecture. This is end of lecture 7, and we will come together in lecture number 8.